एक मिसकंसेप्शन है कि ऐसी चीज़ें सिर्फ गांव में होती है, बल्कि यहाँ पर स्लम एरियाज़ में आप अगर व्हाट्स रियली नाइस अबाउट सेव द चिल्ड्रन, लेकिन आप अगर इनका काम देखेंगे सेव द चिल्ड्रन का, यू रियलाइज दैट they've tied up with the government and are working with slums in Delhi itself. So this is not a urban or rural problem. It's, I agree with you, गाँव में ज़्यादा होता है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि शहरों में नहीं होता.
What do you feel about this reaction, emotional reaction?
To be very frank, anything related with women and children, it affects us. So we are really interested in that.
Okay.
And we are living in Delhi, so we don't know the real situation in
rural areas.
We do know the real situation, but we really face it, and it's totally saddening. And yeah, because we think that India has progressed, but when we go to real rural India, then it's the same. In fact, it's deteriorating.
Yeah.
In my capacity, I can do. I will try to do.
And you are the youth, going to schools and will be going to colleges. So why are you here today?
Firstly, because save children. We realize that how much the problem is with children. There's so much child labor and everything. And I think this organization is doing great work. So just come to support the cause.
Yeah. And what will you do now? Now that you know there's a campaign that we are running, especially to save children under 5 who are dying like due to preventable causes. What will you do to support it? In your school, in your college, how can you take it forward, the campaign? Because the campaign is all about youth action as well.
Yeah, as an individual, I think I can always try, like in my school and everything, I can always, try to make people aware of it, and I can tell them, and maybe on sites and websites and everything.
You work for Save the Children, and you are here. Why did you choose to come here on this occasion?
I think it's more to do with the visibility that the organization gets and the cause that we're working for.
Yeah.
And that's very important for me.
So what action, I know you are an insider who is working with Save the Children, but if you were given one action to choose from, what will you do to add your voice to the campaign?
I think spread it across.
Yeah.
Amongst all my friends, my contacts, that's the best way to do it.
Thank you.
People to sign up for the campaign.
Well, it was a very exciting sort of a campaign from the very start. There were challenges, and of course, when you're looking at the issues of children, of course, under 5 children, which you can't think of. And besides, I saw an opportunity to spread it across, especially the youth, using all forms of medium, from media to celebrity, how they can add value and voice to the campaign. That's extremely important.
What is the kind of response that you've received from different segment of the audience that you've reached out to?
Well, if I could divide the audience between youth, so there was a tremendous response when we went to Delhi University, when we went to IIT Kharagpur, and also the celebrities, the well-meaning ones, including Shabana ji, Kunal Kapoor, and bunch of others. They have been extremely sort of warmed up to the issue, and they are committed to the cause, and that's something that really encourages you, including media. You have to just kind of get hold of what you really want to pitch and just run with it.
So what can people do to sign up to the campaign?
Well, you can take the initial action by signing up your thumbprint on our website by visiting www.savethechildren.in. You can join the Facebook page, and for those of you who are not present here, can still contribute by participating in the Delhi Half Marathon and contribute to the cause and support the cause.
Well, it gives me a great pleasure to be part of a campaign like everyone. The first time the organization approached me and said that, we want you to be part of this, my first reaction was of shock, because unless somebody really points it out to you and says that there's nearly 2 million children that die every year of diseases that are actually preventable, you don't realize the magnitude of the problem. And so for me it was firstly shock, but then there was also hope, because the fact that if each one of us comes forward and tries to do something, then we can actually make a difference. So everyone is the perfect tagline for this. And the problem is that we all believe that we are really small entities and we can't really make a difference in the larger picture. And nothing can be more untrue, because I believe really strongly that if each one of us comes forward and decides to do something, even if it's a small little thing, then we can make a huge difference. So I request everybody to come forward and to reach out, and everyone is the campaign to do it through. I am everyone.